search swallow birds, residents even find the wreckage. Some villagers in Gorontalo, Indonesia, found the wreckage when they were looking for swallows in the forest. In the airplane body is written Merpati. The accidental discovery began when the 8 Mongolo villagers, Bulango Ulu sub-district, Bonbolango district, Indonesia were resting on a hill. Suddenly one member of the group saw a white object like a plane. Out of curiosity we immediately rushed to the object, said one of Oyun residents on March 7, 2018. Their allegations are correct, the thing is a wrecked plane marked Merpati. His condition has been wrapped in a thicket around the wreckage, even overgrown with large trees. One of us immediately took a cell phone and perpetuated the munnen, he explained. After that, they immediately left because their target came to the forest is to find swiftlet nest. Based on the search, the wreckage was an NC-212 aircraft Karaurpa Merpati registered PK-NCY with flight number MZ7970. The plane crashed on Wednesday afternoon, January 31, 1992 when flying from Luwak to Manado.